students, myself Dr. Bharti Patil, working as an assistant professor physics in Maharaja Shivajirao Shinde College, Sridhunda, Ahmednagar. We have started our syllabus related to solid state physics, and in that we have started our chapter number 1, the crystalline state. During our previous lectures, we have covered the points related to few of the crystal structures such as NaCl crystal structure, CaCl crystal structure and diamond crystal structure. In today's lecture, we are going to see one more crystal structure, and that is ZnS crystal structure or zinc blende crystal structure. So let's see the crystal structure of ZnS. So zinc blende crystal structure. If we see the crystal structure of zinc blende, it will remind you the crystal structure of the diamond because it looks similar to the diamond crystal structure. The only difference is that in case of diamond crystal structure, each and every atom is made up of carbon atoms only. But in case of zinc blende or ZnS crystal structure, there are two types of atoms, that is zinc atom and the sulfur atoms. Therefore, this is the only difference which is present in between zinc crystal structure and the ZnS crystal structure and diamond crystal structure related to the atomic contents. The cubic zinc sulfide structure results when zinc atoms are placed on one FCC lattice and sulfur atoms are on other FCC lattice. So its structure is face-centered cubic lattice, and it is considered as made up of two FCC lattices. On one FCC lattice there is the location of ZnS atoms and the other FCC lattice consists of the sulfur atoms. Hence, the structure is cube with dark circles are of one type of atoms, for example sulfur atoms, and the open circles are of other type of atoms, that is zinc atoms. So dark color shows the atoms of sulfur and the hollow circle shows the atoms of zinc. We know that the sulfur atoms are present at the FCC position, that is at the corners and at the face centered position at the center of each face, and the zinc atoms are present at the tetrahedral voids. So if we wish to write the coordinates of the sulfur, then they will come out as, that is sulfur is present at the 0 or half position and the zinc atoms will be present at 1/4 and 3/4 position. That is, the crystal structure of the zinc blende is formed as FCC. So, there are 4 molecules of ZnS per conventional cell. So, each unit cell consists of 4 molecules of ZnS, similar to the NaCl crystal structure. About each atom, there are 4 equally distant atoms of the opposite kind arranged at the corners of regular tetrahedron. It means that each atom, either of Zn or the sulfur, they are surrounded by the 4 equidistant nearest neighbors, and these neighbors are made up of opposite kind of the atom. That is, suppose I wish to calculate the coordination number of zinc, then it is surrounded by 4 sulfur atoms and sulfur is surrounded by 4 zinc atoms. So coordination number is 4. Then sulfur ions are making packing, that's why they are present at the corners and at the face center position, and the sulfur ions are present at the corners and the center of the face, forming the packing. Sulfur ions per unit cell can be calculated by considering their contribution due to the corner atoms. Then by face-centered atoms, we know that there are 8 corner atoms. Each corner atom is shared by 8 unit cell. Therefore, the contribution of each atom to the present unit cell comes out as 1/8, and there are 8 such corner atoms. So 1/8 into 8 comes out as 1. And face-centered atoms, there are 6 face-centered atoms. Each face-centered atom is the part of 2 unit cell. Therefore, half into 6 comes out as 3. Therefore, the sulfur ions present per unit cell are nothing but 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. As the atomic radius of the zinc 2 plus is small as compared to the sulfur 2 minus ions, and hence it is observed that zinc 2 plus ions is present at the alternate tetrahedral voids because they will occupy the void space, and the sulfur ions will occupy the corner position and the face-centered position. FCC, there are 8 tetrahedral voids. FCC consists of 2 types of voids: octahedral voids, tetrahedral voids. And in FCC, there are 8 tetrahedral voids, and we know that zinc 2 plus is present at the alternate tetrahedral voids. Therefore, number of zinc atoms comes out as 4. So, number of zinc ions per unit cell is equal to 4. If we want to find the coordination number, just now I have explained that zinc 2 plus is surrounded by 4 S2 minus ions, and S2 minus ions are surrounded by 4 equidistant Zn2 plus ions, and hence their coordination number is 4. And such type of crystal structure is observed in CuCl, then AgI, CuI, and cadmium sulfide. So this is related to the crystal structure of zinc blende, that is ZnS. So let's revise once again the crystal structure of zinc blende. So we have started the zinc blende crystal structure with this diagram, and this diagram represents the crystal structure of zinc blende, that is ZnS, and it is similar to the crystal structure of diamond. Only in case of diamond, each and every atom is made up of carbon, and in case of zinc blende, there are 2 types of atoms. One is of zinc and another is of sulfur. Then it is forming FCC type of crystal structure. The cubic zinc sulfide structure results when zinc atoms are placed on one FCC lattice and sulfur ions are present on the another FCC lattice. So in this diagram, the sulfur ions are shown by the dark circles, and the hollow circles represent the ZnS zinc ions. So the positions of the sulfur will be at 0 and half, and the positions of zinc are at 1/4 and 3/4. Here Z only is type, and I have to write there N also, so it will represent Zn. Then lattice is FCC type. There are 4 molecules of ZnS per unit cell. About each atom, there are 4 equal distant atoms of the opposite kind arranged at the corners of regular tetrahedron. S2 minus ions are making packing, and S2 ions are present at the corners and at the face-centered positions. So the number of S2 minus ions per unit cell is calculated by considering their contribution due to corner atoms and face-centered atoms, and it comes out as 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. As the atomic radius of Zn2 plus is small as compared to S2 minus ions, So S2 minus ions will be present at the corner and the base central position, and Zn2 plus ions will occupy the tetrahedral voids. We know that in case of FCC there are two types of voids, octahedral voids and the tetrahedral voids, and in case of zinc blende the Zn2 plus will occupy alternate tetrahedral voids due to their small size. So, the Zn2 plus ions per unit cell comes out as 4. So, the coordination number of Zn2 plus or H2 minus is 4 because they are in contact with the 4 equidistant opposite kind of ions. And such type of crystal structure is observed in case of copper chloride, then silver iodide, then copper iodide, and CdS, that is cadmium sulfide. Thank you.